Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Modhoni Karaoke. For those who are new here, thank you so much for tuning in to this channel. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't mind the mess. As you can see, my arm, that is actually tomato sauce. I'm just from making a recipe right now for my Instagram. So if you don't also follow me on my other social media handles, the link is in the description down below, and I'll also put my Instagram name here. So today I've just made a one pot meal. Today is on a Sunday. Tumetoka tu kanisani, just chilling, and I decided to make something nice, something really quick. So I went and bought fries in a supermarket, and then because it's cheaper there, nani mingi, like the supermarket here where I live, they put a lot of fries. So I really love buying from them. So I made a one pot meal. Let me show you guys what I made. It's really nice. I'm just about to plate it. As you can see, niko hapa. I'm just about to plate it. Nipige picha for my Instagram. Yes, so let me show you guys the meal. So here's the dish. It's actually like masala, but with sausages inside. As you can see, it looks really nice, and the danias and the whatevers. And then I also have my stand here, which I was shooting from. And then pia nimeweka inita nini carpet, because my phone fell na ime crack because of that. So I'm becoming very cautious about that. But that is the meal. So I'm just about to plate it, and then yeah. Hello and good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to actually make a smoothie, a really quick banana, mango, and mint and some passion smoothie. So let me show you. Okay, so we have these are three chopped bananas, roughly chopped bananas. I have skinned some 2-3 mangoes, and I have one more to go. And also this is a passion. Zinakaa ni kama zijaiva, but zimeiva actually. They look raw, but actually zimeiva. I'll show you guys. I'm actually shooting for my Instagram. So here is the setup. This is how I shoot for my Instagram. So I've shot a couple of things, a couple of behind the scenes, but they have to be edited first before they go up online. So yeah, that is that. Yep. As you can see, they're actually pretty ripe, but na nje they don't look ripe at all. Just look at the skin. I actually thought they were not ripe at first. Actually seems to be ripe, so I just want to blend. I'm just going to blend them. Don't mind my nini. I'm going to use this one because it's more convenient. So I'm just going to use this to blend, and then yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I'm actually going for lunch with a fellow foodie friend of mine. We are going to Kahawa. I don't know if it's Kahawa West or Kahawa Sukari. I don't know, but either one of the two. And I'm really excited. This is I think this is my first time actually going out with a foodie just like me. And I am very excited. We are going to a restaurant called Between Two Buns. They have nimewaona Instagram for a while. They make tacos, loaded fries. They're big on burgers. I cannot wait. I just got to the house. It's 12:30 p.m. Nataka tu kwenda kuoga because we're meeting at 2:30. So I just want to go shower and then yeah, get dressed, nitoe easy manguo, and make my hair, make my face, and whatever. So yeah, see you when I get dressed. So this is what I have. I'm not too sure what to wear. It's either I go with this. Okay, these two tops are either going to go with this palazzo or this jeans on this side. This palazzo I actually got last year. It has a slit, as you can see, a very big one. I really love it. I got it from Kiki. I actually haven't worn it. Kama unaona, it still has the tag on it. So I'm either going to go with that or this top or this other one with this jeans, which I also got from Kiki, or this dress. This dress I got from ngoja. Yeah, I got this dress from Gikomba back in 2019. Na nimeivaa once. The quality of this dress, I'm telling you, ni kama designer, honestly. So it's either I go for this dress or this pair of jeans or this palazzo pants. So I'm very confused, but acha tuone. I am actually fully dressed. Don't mind me, I'm in the kitchen. That's where there's good lighting. So I don't know if you can see me well. So I just have this top. I went to the black top and this cover up. And then I have jeans, which they're very cute. As you can see, they look really nice. So I'm pretty ready and actually very, very late. So let's go. Hey guys, after like 30 or 40 minutes of getting lost, I am finally here. Nimefika. This place kumbe it doesn't have parking, so I had to like zunguka, but I have found my date is finally here. So yeah, let me go. Let's check this place out. So no, but do. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today's on a Sunday. Nimetoka kanisani. It's a good day. I feel good. I feel great. So I want to do a recipe. What is it called? Ndoma. That is arrowroots. My neighbor got me some arrowroots like a couple of days ago, and I'm going to make them because ndoma zinaribikanga haraka na joto. If you didn't know, like arrowroots really spoil really fast because of joto, heat, humidity when it is hot. So yeah, so I just want to make them really quickly, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So yeah. And before I forget, okay, I've tied my hair really quickly because you don't want hair flying all over the place. So before I forget, I didn't do a review on Between Two Buns. That is the restaurant I went to in the last clip that you guys saw. So that place is in Kahawa, I was told. Kahawa Sukari. I usually like changanyisha Kahawa Sukari and Kahawa West. It's Kahawa Sukari. The directions are very easy, but your girl got lost. I don't know why, but the food is really, really nice. I had the big boy burger, which goes for 850. It's stacked with meat, I guess, which is beef. There's the bun, there is beef, there is fried chicken, there is cheese and a lot of sauce, and there is bacon. It has a lot. If you're a meat lover, a burger lover, that's definitely the one for you. And I had alongside a drink, which I'm not too sure what drink it was, but if I get to know nitawambia, I'll insert the name here, but my date ordered it for me, so I don't know. So yeah, the place is really good. I highly recommend. It's in Kahawa Sukari. Don't forget, go there, try their food, and next time I'm going to try their tacos. I really want their tacos. Go say Mudhoni has sent you, because yeah, the food is really nice. So let's get to making the ndoma, which are here. I don't know if you guys can see. So just want to chop them and then make something out of it, which I'm not too sure. I don't know if I should make like ndoma fries or crisps, but I think that is like basic. So there are a couple of ndoma recipes I know, so hata tutaona ni gani itatu suit. So yeah, let's cook. As you can see, guys, they are turning out pretty well. Look at them. Oh my god, they look super crunchy on the outside and they are so soft on the inside. Nimeonja moja, it's so good. The rest are here just cooking as they wait for them. That's the last batch, and then yeah. So that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Those things, they are so legit. Try them, tag me on my Instagram page, comment down below if you try them, send me a picture. I would really like to see how your recipe turned out. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, for tuning in till the end of the video. Now, napenda sana. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.